Hi guys, myself Kishan and currently I'm a student. From past few years, air pollution is getting increased everywhere. For that solution, I built a DIY 3D printed air purifier that called AirSense. This is one.
I would have when I flipped it in a double. All that I would have when I flipped it in a double.
I started by designing its CAD in Autodesk Fusion 360 and once the design completed, I printed it using grey color PLA filament. For the gasket seal, I used TPU filament. For this project, I'm using WebSteer ESP32S3, BMA680 environmental sensor, a dust sensor, a 2.4 inches LCD display, and a 10 ampere relay module, and a 5-volt adapter. All source files of this project like 3D printing files, source code, connection diagram, library configuration files are available on GitHub. Link is in the description. You can follow this circuit diagram to make all the connections.
Snakes around my grass, they want my dough, though. But I keep a 40, they don't know, no. Got the Henny, you get cold, cold. Smoke on Reggie, that's a no-no. Driving slow-mo in the photo. Bitches ready for them photos. I see all the things on my mind, yeah, yeah, yeah.